You are constantly seeing random posts on your Instagram and probably you don't like them and you want to stop seeing all of these posts. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually limit what you post and make it more personal. And not to say too much, Instagram have actually made it possible for you to select the things that you want to see and the things you want to see less. Now, without saying much, let's go ahead and show you guys. So here is how to make your Instagram even more personal. Now, the first thing to do when you open your Instagram, this actually works when a video is active, or rather a reel. Now, you click on that particular video. I disabled the sound. So when you click on the video, notice on the top right hand area, just this area where it has this menu icon, you click on that. Now, when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this area where it says, lately you have been into cutting tech advancement, entrepreneur inspiration, and high-end automotive style. Now, these are everything that I'm interested in. Now, if you want to add more of it, click on add, and then I'm going to put AI, and then add even more. I'm going to put innovation. Those are the things I like to see, and you can decide to add even more. I'm going to say cards. Then I'm done. Okay, for your own case, you can do yours. Now, the things that I don't want to see a lot, I am going to click on this area to remove the things they want to remove for me. So I'm going to add the things I do not want to see. Gossip. I don't want to see a lot of gossip. And I don't like to see meme. Sometimes I think memes are cool, but depending on whatever you do not want to see, add everything you do not want to see right here, and the things that you want to see, add them right here. And this is not the only thing that is that you can actually do right here. And if you want more people, if you want to broadcast it to people so that people will know the things that you want to see in 2026, you can click on this area to say build your algorithm, and then you select the things that you don't want, that you want to see rather, and then make it known to everybody that these are the things that you would like to see in 2026, and you can add this to your story. So when you do this, you add it to your story. This is actually not part of setting up your the algorithm. We are already done with setting up the algorithm. This is just you gossiping about the things that you do not want to see or the things that you like to see. So you can notice it says in 2026, I want to see more robotic innovation, luxurious car, AI in business, AI and humanoid robots. You can click on send if you want to send that, but I don't think there is any need telling people that I want to do this. So this is not necessary. If you want to do that anyway, that is led by you. And more settings that you can also do, you notice the top right area, not the end one, this area right here, right? You click on this area and you can say, political content. If you want to see political content, you notice it's actually suggested to you. You can disable this if you do not want to see anything political content, right? And then there are even more. If you click on this area, you can also go to sensitive content. If there are sensitive content or you want to have limitation in your sensitive content. Now you can see less sensitive content. You can notice it says you may see less content about topic with people that don't want to see, such as sexual content or some violence. So if you do not want to see like people fighting or sexual content, you can do that. That is sensitive content, and really I don't have time for that. But if you want to see a lot of that, you are okay with that, you can always select this, and if you select, you can see it is going to warn you that it's going to display a lot of this for you. So based on whatever you want, I think I'm okay with less, and you can go ahead and select more content preference, and then you can see there are even more content preference to your algorithm, sensitivity, political interest, and not interested. Now you can click on each of them to select the ones that you are interested and the ones that you are not interested. So this is based on you. So more things, guys. You can also learn more about the algorithm right here. And do note that you can always come here and make these changes whenever you want to. right? You can also see how it works. We use AI to generate a summary of your interest based on your activities. You can also add topics you want to see more and also less on Instagram. So go ahead and do that. And also, I do not like a lot of reels. When you open Instagram, you see so many reels. So I have actually filtered that out. Now, let me go ahead and close, and you are going to notice some difference in my Instagram. Now, pay attention. You are going to see things entirely relating to me. Now, you notice there are very less okay, there is a lot of videos playing right now. Initially, I don't have so many video displaying because I actually prefer images than videos. But now there is a lot of videos displaying, and that is fine. So what do I say? I say thank you guys for watching this video. And if it helped, don't forget to smash like. I am going to see you on the next one. Stay safe, guys, and peace.